it's Tiger and welcome back to another vlog. Just woke up the puppy. Yeah, got a new puppy. He's called Banjo. He's so cool. He's a cavoodle. So, hi. He's tired. Come on, let's go. He sleeps all day. Me and puppy. That's his little hangout area. He's got his bed and his toys in there. That's his cage. But we don't actually lock it. We only lock it when he sleeps. Like when it's nighttime, so he doesn't like get out and like destroy stuff. But we usually just open it when he sleeps. Look at him. Let's put him down. Later. Really? Come on, let's go. He might need to go to the toilet. I need to take him to the toilet every hour. Come on. You can go. I think he's a bit afraid of the camera. He's already crapped in the house and pissed in the house. Because he's an inside dog. Alright. Hey, you want some food? You still got some breakfast left. Here. Drink water? Huh? Yeah. You still got breakfast. Now you want some water? Okay. Just refilled it today. Alright, yeah, so the dog's pretty cool. He's very sleek. He just goes around your legs. He's a bit afraid of the steps because he used to keep failing, but I think he can do it now. Banjo. He just hesitates. Banjo. Come on, Banjo, you can do it. Come on. Jump the stairs. You can't do it? Really? Wow. Banjo. Come on. Come on, Banjo. You serious? Come on, Banjo. Ain't nobody got time for that. Go! Go, young lad. Go down the stairs. Why don't you like the stairs? You like my foot? It's burnt. It's burnt raw. You looking at my foot? He's a biter. He likes to bite. He hasn't bite in a long time. Hope he doesn't bite. It doesn't really hurt, but it's annoying. You know, look at him. He's like so small. That small. Like, this is the height from my head. I'm looking down. Like, compare him to those crates. Like, that's pretty small. Here. My head is about here to the door. Wait, no, you can see my shadow. Ready? Alright, so, see him. He's like super small. He's like, up there to that line. About there. Yeah. It's hard to tell because it's on camera. Anyway, yeah. So his name is Banjo. B-A-N-J-O. Banjo. It's cool. Alright, Banjo. I'm gonna get one of his toys. Come on, Banjo. Which toy would you want? You wanna play with tug of war? You wanna play tug of war? Yeah. You want to play tag of war or not? No? Yes? Oh, here we go. Ah! Come on, you can do it. Oh, 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 oh. Ooh. I bet that hurt. Oh my God. What are you going to do? Jump into bed? You going to grab a toy or... What are you doing? Are you going in? What is that? Is that like his stomach? Oh, we can open up this town now. We put it there when he's going to bed. There you go. Look at him, he's happy. Yay, happy. He's got a tiny little bit of room without a bed, but it's mostly just for chilling it. Oh, he thinks we're apart. Look at him. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, we're not that apart. Oh, he hates it when he needs to go to sleep. Because everyone else is gone. Had to stay up all night to wait for him to go to sleep. No. 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 No, I do that. No. He's trying to eat some plastic. Come on, Banjo. Alright, his favorite thing is this. It's like, I don't know, it's like a chew toy. It's the circle one. Oh, okay. With the tug of war. I'm gonna play some tug of war. Doesn't it look cute? Just wait until it goes to sleep. Let's try and make him go to sleep. Here. He's loving it. He does not like being alone. He will get out. Ready, watch this. What fucker? There we go. Happy. It's just me and the dog for the whole day. I'm gonna pause the video right here, and I'll come back when he does something interesting. What you going on, guys? I know what I'm gonna be doing now. So basically, I'm gonna put him in the cage. I'm just gonna shut it, but I'm not gonna lock it. So I'm gonna run. I'm gonna hide somewhere. I'm gonna keep calling out his name and see if he can find me. Banjo, go in. Go in your cage, I feel that you ain't nothing. Banjo! Banjo, I'm gonna put it on 1. I'm actually gonna put on 0.5. There you go, jump on! Get on! Just wait. Go! 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 No! Jump on! Come on, like me. You meant to keep walking. This is only on 0.5. Come on. Don't you want to turn? Yeah. Just wait. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. You can't walk. Alright. Watch me then. Okay. Let's put on 10. Oh my God!